Good afternoon. My name is Lady Cortez. My article speaks of experiences of frontline nurses on workplace safety and occupational health that are into psychiatric hospital in Ghana. This article tries to explore the experiences of frontline nurses on occupational health and safety condition into psychiatric hospital in Ghana. Every organization needs a healthy and secure human resource base for its overall performance and productivity. The health sector is not an exception, since it is made up of various professional groups that are exposed to occupational health risks to varying degrees. Service industries, including the health sector, were completely regulated to the background, especially in developing countries. The Joint Occupational Safety and Health Committee of the International Labour Organization and the World Health Organization indicated in 1995 that occupational health and safety in hard work environment implies the promotion and maintenance of the highest degree of physical, mental, and social well-being of workers in all occupations. The situation is often exacerbated by poor legal foundation and complexity. Social service in some countries were physical and psychological violence against health workers is implicit as part of the work. This study was made necessary because most of the work-related health disasters in developing settings like Ghana are not reported. Within the health sector, psychiatric hospitals are work settings in which employees have a higher risk of exposure to occupational health disasters. In resource-poor countries like Ghana, it is assumed that the situation is due more to the limited human and material health resources needed to reduce the risk of exposure to these health disasters. In Ghana, existing occupational health and safety laws are outdated, and these laws may not address emerging workplace challenges in the health sector. Frontline health workers were found to be more likely to experience frequent exposure to occupational disasters. In psychiatric health facilities because they were disadvantaged in terms of self-defense against physical attacks from aggressive patients.